Hello and welcome back to GCS. Now, some of the work we do with our farm machinery, we buy and refurbish, okay? And it gives an item perhaps that doesn't look its best a second life. And it works very well. It's probably recycling at its best in a way. So what we're going to do now, though, we're going to take you on a journey. Not quite sure that's the right word. We're going to show you a product that's we've bought in, and you'll see a big transformation. Hopefully you'll understand the big transformation that we do. The item we're going to do is a 950 litre mainway fuel barrier. Now, this is a site tow item, and by site tow that means that it's used on a public highway. So the axle has brakes. It's got a braked hitch, so that if you apply brakes, it will automatically apply brakes to the trailer. It has suspension for road use, and they normally have lights. This one hasn't got lights. This one's come from one of the major hire companies in the UK. It's made by a manufacturer called Mainway. Now, as you can see, it certainly doesn't look its best at the moment, but we're going to take you on a journey and show you what we do to this item to make it from start to finish. Right, so it's now in the workshop. Tiff gets quite excited when these things come in because he knows you never know what you're going to find. Yeah. You never know what you're going to find. So you'll see from the video, but we'll strip this down and we'll start it again. Right, it's Monday morning, and as you can see, the tank's been shop blasted, which literally it just takes all the paint off, anything on the tank that's not meant to be there, right back to bare metal. Quite surprising, you can still see the imprint of where the stickers were before. So we're right back to bare metal, and now the tank will be cleaned down again, Well, we've actually blown it down. We've blown it down with the airline first to get rid of any bits of grit. It will now be cleaned down again, primered. I think it's 2 coats of primer go on, and then it'll be top coated. This one's being done in a particular colour for a customer. The rail code is, I think it's an RAL 8019, the Pacific colour for the customer. So we'll see how it turns out. In fact, I know how it will turn out. It will turn out really well, because Alan up there is really good at his job, but we won't tell him that, not on a Monday morning. In the absence of our video man, a quick view of what Mark's doing with this. This is the Bowser we're following. The Bowser's now in the workshop. It's having its drums removed. It's having new cables fitted, or whatever it needs, it's having done. Mark is like a coiled spring doing the work. Its hit's been checked. Yeah. It has a new rubber on now. It has a new jockey wheel. So this Bowser's been got ready. The tank's been shot blasted, as you've seen, and it'll very soon be finished. The tank's been painted. Paul's now going to move it onto the back to the workshop. Look at the shine in that tank. Look at the shine. Beautiful. So the tank's now going to go back to the workshop and be refitted to the chassis. All the tanks and Bowsers that we do, we can bespokely fit whatever the customer requires. So the mainway Bowser is having a 12-volt Pusey pump. Now this is a very, very good brand of pump. It pumps 85 litres a minute on 12 volt. Very reliable, very robust, very good for the job. We have a goldenrod fuel filter there, a fuel meter, and we have an auto shut off nozzle. And this basically means that the same as your petrol pump, but petrol pump when you go fill your car up with, when the item is full of fuel, it automatically shut the trigger off. This is an option. Some people don't want this, but in today's requirements of fuel wastage and fuel, etc., a very good thing to have. So as you can see, very tight fit. Stuart works his expertise and his magic to make things fit. The Bowser that you've seen arrive, dismantled, cleaned, stripped, shot blasted, painted, reassembled. The brakes have been done, drawbar's been serviced. It's got new stickers, it's got bespoke pump system in it, tailored for the customer's needs. Now, unfortunately, you didn't get to see it with wheels on, but it's going straight on the pallet. It's heading up to a farming estate in Scotland, I believe. We use our local haulier Cartwrights. They do a sterling job for us, and that's going off today, and that will be in Scotland in the next 48, 72 hours. So there you go, it's finished. Now, we do these day in, day out, week in, week out. Bespoke, I mean, the colour of this one is very different. It's what the customer requested. But it's on its way. And just a little mark, if you notice there on the hazard warning signs, we've put tape on the hazard warning signs, because when Bowser in its use, in its working job, it also has carrying hazardous goods and therefore has to be marked accordingly. The fact that it's empty now, we don't need to be classed as hazardous goods, because it confuses the sort of pallet network and creates a lot more issues. So that's why we put the tape through, but then when it gets there, the customer will just peel it off. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the journey of our Bowser. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to that. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.